Welcome back, Excel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful combination of rank and index functions to revolutionize your data retrieval game. Imagine you have a dataset of students' exam scores, and you want to identify the top performers. Let's see how rank and index can help. First, we set up our data, listing students' names alongside their exam scores. Now, let's use the rank function to assign ranks to each student based on their scores. With a simple formula, we can rank each student's score. Write the formula. Type equal to type rank bracket start select score type comma select exam score range press F4 type comma type 0 bracket close press enter key for result double click hand fill for remaining results. Next up, we'll use the index function to retrieve the names of the top performing students. By combining index with match, we can fetch the names corresponding to the top ranks. Write the formula. Type equal to type index bracket start select student name range press F4 type comma type match function bracket start select rank number type comma select rank range press F4 type comma type 0 bracket close press enter key for result double click hand fill for remaining results, and there you have it. With just a few Excel formulas, we've identified our star students. Rank and index are like a dynamic duo, empowering you to conquer data retrieval challenges with ease. Stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks.